Picture yourself on the dock, beholding the colossal, gleaming MSC Seascape, a veritable floating palace that will be your abode for the next few days. As I ascended the gangplank, a surge of excitement coursed through me, ready to erupt. This was no ordinary journey. It was the thrill of a lifetime. When I first stepped on board, I felt like I was entering a new world. Everything was sleek and modern, and the ship felt like it was from the future, yet with all the comforts of home. It's like a city on water, filled with so many amazing things to do, see and eat. I felt like an explorer setting out on a grand quest, and I couldn't wait to see what surprises were in store. First things first, I had to find my cabin. I was fortunate to be in an ocean view cabin, a unique experience where the first thing I saw every morning was the endless blue sea outside my window. It was like waking up to a giant, ever-changing painting. The cabin, my own little nook on this enormous ship, was cozy and well-equipped with soft beds, a private bathroom, a TV, a mini fridge, a safe for my valuables, and a hairdryer. But let's not forget the other amazing cabin options. For those who love a bit of luxury, there are the balcony cabins. Imagine sitting on your private balcony, feeling the sea breeze on your face as you watch the sunrise or sunset. It's your special spot to enjoy the view whenever you want. Inside, you'll find all the comforts of home and more. For those who really want to indulge and feel truly special, there are the suites and the MSC Yacht Club. The suites feel like little apartments with plenty of space to move around and relax, offering a sense of exclusivity. The MSC Yacht Club is the ultimate luxury, with a butler to assist with anything you need and access to exclusive areas like a private lounge, pool, and restaurant. It's perfect for those who want the ultimate luxury and personalized service, making you feel like a VIP throughout your stay. Now, let's talk about the food. Oh boy, the food! Imagine having every type of cuisine you can think of, all in one place. But it's not just about the variety. It's about the unique dining experiences that await you. It felt like I was traveling the world without ever leaving the ship, experiencing culinary delights that I never thought possible on a cruise. Every meal was an adventure. From the fancy main dining rooms with their international dishes to the casual buffet where you could grab a quick bite between activities. The main dining rooms had a sophisticated atmosphere where I could savor a wide variety of dishes. But what truly set them apart was the service. It was not just friendly, it was attentive and personalized, making every meal a delightful experience. The menu changed daily, ensuring there was always something new and exciting to try. But it was the service that made me feel truly valued as a guest. My favorite was the Teppanyaki restaurant, Kaido Teppanyaki and Sushi Bar. The interactive dining experience, with the chefs cooking right in front of us, was like a show in itself. The food, a fusion of Japanese and Western flavors, was absolutely delicious. And then there was Pola. Tacos and Cantina is a vibrant Mexican eatery where I could get the best tacos and sip on refreshing margaritas. It felt like a little fiesta every time. If I wanted something quick, I'd head to Marketplace Buffet for a delicious slice of pizza or a juicy burger and fries. And for dessert, the Venchi 1878 Gelato had a variety of ice creams and gelatos that satisfied my sweet tooth every time. But the fun didn't stop there. Every day was packed with exciting things to do. One evening, I headed to Le Cabaret Rouge for a Broadway-style show that left me amazed. The performers were incredible, and the energy in the room was electric. On other nights, I was at Times Square, dancing to live music and enjoying the stunning ocean views. For movie lovers, the ship had a cutting-edge cinema showing the latest blockbusters and a 4D cinema that combined 3D visuals with special effects like moving seats, wind, and water sprays for a thrilling experience. For a bit of thrill, I tried the ship's Robotron, which was both terrifying and exhilarating as I soared high above the deck. The Pirate Cove Aqua Park was like a watery wonderland with slides and splash zones that entertained the kid in me. And for those who love a bit of gaming, the casino offered a thrilling experience with slot machines, poker tables, roulette, and blackjack. After all the thrilling activities, the ship offered a diverse range of relaxation options. The MSC Aria Spa, a haven of tranquility, was my personal favorite. Imagine the serenity of a steam room, the tension melting away, or the rejuvenating touch of a soothing massage. It was a sanctuary of pure bliss, catering to every relaxation need. For those who prefer an active lifestyle, the ship's fitness options were inclusive and comprehensive. The state-of-the-art fitness center, equipped with the latest workout machines, catered to all fitness levels. Group fitness classes like yoga, Pilates, spinning, and aerobics, as well as personal training sessions, were available. The sports court was a versatile space for basketball, tennis, soccer, and other activities, ensuring everyone could find a fitness routine that suited them. The ship's sun decks and lounges were designed for ultimate relaxation, providing a comfortable and serene environment to soak up the sun. The billiard room and library are stocked with books and pool tables, perfect for a leisurely afternoon. As my journey on the MSC Seascape came to an end, I was astounded by the wealth of experiences I had gathered in such a brief span. But how does it compare to another cruise ship? Click the video above and let's travel.